One of the saddest things I see in the UK is people reaching their 50s and 60s with little or nothing invested. They've worked their arse off all of their life, paid the mortgage, raised a family, but nobody ever showed them how to make their money work for them. And now retirement feels further away than ever. That's exactly why I created my investing community on Skool. Not to sell you the latest stock or crypto, not to promise you'll get rich overnight, but to give normal people in the UK a simple step-by-step plan to build long-term wealth. So what is Skool? If you've never heard of Skool, think of it as a private online community. It's a place where you'll find the courses, the community, practical tools and direct support, all designed to help you become a more confident investor. What Complete Investing is about. Inside Complete Investing, I'll show you how to build your first investment portfolio, how ISAs, pensions and tax-efficient investing actually work, why low-cost global index funds have become my foundation after 25 years of investing, how to avoid the expensive investment mistakes that cost me years of progress. You'll also be surrounded by hundreds of like-minded people who are all working towards the same goal, building long-term wealth and retiring with more choices. So who am I to talk to you about investing? Well, I'm a normal working class man who grew up on a council estate in the north east of England. I've lived through market crashes, I've lost money, I even lost our life savings back in 2011. I've chased the next big thing too many times, but I've also built six figures with multiple assets over the last 7 years, mainly because I started to take financial education much more seriously. And after more than 25 years of investing, I've learned that simple usually wins. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, this isn't advice, but I do have loads of experience and knowledge, and importantly, I really do care, because I know what it feels like to worry about money, to live month to month. So if you want to start investing with confidence, come and join us at our school. Your membership is completely free to get you started. You get access to the community, practical resources, and get around people who genuinely want to help each other succeed as investors. And if you'd like more personalised guidance, support, there's also the option of one-to-one support, where I'll help you build a simple investing plan based on your own goals. Just click the link below, join the community, and I'll show you inside.